In Gauntlet task number 9, you are going to predict how far a bungee jumper, which in our case is going to be a mass on a spring, will fall if I give you an initial release height. So here's John and Adam, John Breen, Adam Laskowski in their trial, and I'll play this in slow motion here. So what you're going to want to do first is put your name on a piece of paper so I can, when I film, I can know who it is, and also your window. And the two blue pieces of tape here denote their window, how far they believe their bungee jumper is going to fall. I'm assuming their predictions right here in the middle. So you set that thing up, and there's their window. And again, you know the characteristics of the spring constant, the mass on the spring. I give you a drop height. So there's actually Jimmy and Russell in the background there watching. And I'll give you a height. I'll use this as a reference here. I might tell you to drop the weight above the connection point where the bungee jumper is connected, above it, at or below the connection point. So which is off the screen here. So let's watch and see what happens. So they're going to drop the weight, and it should right there. So it looks like they predicted, I'm assuming, right there in the middle of the window, and they got it. It's well within the window they predicted for the mass that I gave them and the drop height. And again, you know through a pre-gauntlet the spring constant of the spring. So that is a demonstration of the bungee jumper gauntlet task.